Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Bloom, who is present.
What are we doing today?
Your Honor, I'm going to be asking the court to set this for the final settlement conference. I know there's one in August. I know there's one in June. I do have a circuit court jury trial for next Monday that's like pretty firmed up.
Got it.
But I can make the August one work, and I'll leave that open and we'll get it done.
Okay. Jury final settlement conference will be set August 9th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter will be August 12th, 2024 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
I'll let you go.
I was going to try to get you. I was going to try to get you out of the room. Bloom. I was trying to get you out of the room before you said anything. You knew what I was doing. That's why your finger went up.
At least I'm not driving with a suspended license.
I have no comment.
Okay. Two times now I've let it go. Remember?
Let what go?
I said enjoy the day, enjoy your horse, all that. So I let it go. The time before that, I let it go. But Your Honor, today I need to put something on the record. This is very serious.
Put something on the record all the time. Go ahead.
Okay. No, not last time. Okay. Your Honor, this case, assault and battery case, has gone over a year. And since October, I've fought tooth and nail for discovery. I still haven't been given the hospital report, any photos, any. There's a lot missing from discovery still. Remember, since October, we've.
No, I remember you mentioning it. But hold on a second, Mr. Bloom. Has the discovery been requested, Mr.?
Yeah.
Hold. This is why. Listen, Mr. Bernstein.
Which discovery referencing, Jeff?
Hospital report that Deputy Swearing says there was a hospital report. There was. I'm wondering how this case was even brought about, Your Honor, because.
Okay, Mr. Bloom.
There was never a report,
Mr. Bloom.
Okay, I'll let it go.
Because you keep asking me questions you know I can't necessarily answer.
Okay, let me get on with the real stuff.
Oh, okay.
Per transcripts.
No,
I still haven't received the transcripts
of what?
3-6. Remember, I asked for the transcripts from 3-6. I still haven't received transcripts from 3-6. That's 3 months ago. I know it takes a while, especially this being a misdemeanor case.
Hang on. We have to have a written request for the transcripts. And Mr. Bloom, here's what I'm going to suggest. If you need those, again, you have an attorney. Tell your attorney that's what you need.
Okay, well, this is my assistance of counsel, just like Ms. Barroso has assistants and you have assistants.
I don't have assistants. I have individuals that I work for that are professionals. So I don't know what you have, but I don't professional have real. But go ahead.
I can clarify what Jeff's talking about. I ordered an audio recording of that hearing, and someone in my office we did a transcription of it for Jeff. But I think what he wants me to request is an actual transcript, and I just did.
And so they can do that, pay for it, and I'm sure it will be accomplished. But if we haven't received a written request for that, then that won't happen. So,
thank you. Well, I ain't gonna go through all this. I just need to put a little bit on record. Per transcripts from 10-4, you stated that you believe everything a Washtenaw County Sheriff's 22. Washtenaw County Sheriff Deputy says is true. And you believe everything a Washtenaw County Sheriff's Deputy says.
Hold on a second. What are you reading to me right
now? Something that I want to state on record, Your Honor.
No, but what you're obviously stating what somebody else said. I'm just trying to figure out where it's coming.
You said.
On the 24th of?
No, on 10-4 of 22.
In this case?
No. You stated that you believe everything a Washtenaw County Sheriff's Deputy says, correct?
I don't recall saying that.
And you were upset that my attorney questions the deputy's authority or authenticity and requested said officer to be under oath. And there is proof that deputy testified with reckless disregard for truth. You were also misled on 9/13, 10/4, and 11/7.
Mr. Bloom, is this in regard to your other matter?
This is regard to everything.
Well, no, it can't be in regard to everything. It's got to be
Okay,
in
well,
regard to your
I'm
other
trying to
matter
put-
because
I'm
this
trying to
didn't
put
start.
canons.
No, stop. This case didn't start until 10/18. So if you're referring
Okay, I'm
to a
past that.
record from another case,
Then I'm past that.
then you're past what?
I'm past the other case. Here we go. This is this case. Canon 2, Canon 2A, Canon 3, which in part reads, a judge shall not initiate, permit, or consider ex parte communications or consider other communications concerning a pending or impending matter that are made outside the party's presence or their lawyer's presence. Canon 3A4B in part reads, not only is it a gross breach of the appearance of justice when the defendant's principal adversaries are given private access to the ear of the court. It is a dangerous procedure.
What are you, Mr. Bloom? I'm going to stop you because what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the transcripts from 3-6, Your Honor, where you stated you had notes, you stated you had a phone call from ex parte communicators.
No, that was regarding your dental.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
has
that was a
nothing to
motion
do
we
with-
filed.
No, but that has nothing to do with the case.
But I mentioned that on
And
other dates you did that.
Mr. Bloom, no, Mr. Bloom,
You don't
because
wanna
if you're
hear it.
going to, you don't want to hear, I don't. Because what
know.
you're saying is incorrect.
Okay.
I had a communication.
All right.
I disclosed that to the parties because it came to the court's attention, not by the court doing it, that there was something regarding the dental work. I don't know what it was about the dental work.
There were other
But-
matters you did the same thing, Your Honor. I'm
Aye.
not
Goodbye.
contacting your
Goodbye.
commission.
Goodbye,
I'm
Mr.
contacting-
Bloom. Goodbye. Thank you. Have a great day.
Ride your horse.
Take care.
Where you're at. We'll contact the senior commission, sir.
Have fun.